what's up YouTube? Welcome back subbies, and if you're new here, hey friend. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my IPSY bag. So before we get into this video, I'm gonna need y'all to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you can see when I post videos. Also, don't forget to catch up on my older IPSY videos so that way you can see how I basically been building my makeup collection. So, without further ado, this is the bag I got. So this is the October IPSY bag. We are all caught up. I am so excited to see what this bag looks like. I don't remember what it looked like on the app, so, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna look like Halloween-ish. You know, it's October, so, and yep, I was right. So, it is a cute neon green and black bag with the vampire veins and the lips. So it's pretty cute. So for this first product, we have some more brushes. I'm pretty sure I have brushes like this already, but you can never have too many brushes, okay? Besides, I am trying to upgrade my brushes and throw my old ones away because I don't need them. Now, the ones that I have been using, the ones that I need, I'm gonna keep. But as far as the old ones that's basically sitting in my drawer, yeah, they're getting thrown away because guess what? We out with the old and in with the new. So, this brush is called Get Cheeky With It. So it's like an angled brush, and I'm pretty sure I already got a brush like this before, but I am not complaining because like you can never have too many brushes. This brush is the Golden Gem Bronzer. So this is a brush that you will basically apply your bronzer with. And you can really tell these are good quality brushes. Last but not least, the last brush that I got is the Supermodel Sculpt. So I'm guessing you can use this brush to kind of sculpt your face. Like say if you have a cream concealer and you might want to sculpt your face, this will be the perfect brush to use for that. And these brushes come from MOTD Cosmetics. Now, let's get into this card that this bag came with. So this card says Pretty Wicked, October 2021. This is what it looks like. Pretty cool, huh? Fangs out, lipstick on. This month, embrace the unconventional vampy lips, rich shadows, pitch black manis, and you just might vent some more. So, yeah, when they said the whole black manis, yeah, I'm thinking I need to get my toes done anyway. Something about getting a black French tip. I already have like cute white French tips on my toes, but now it's time to change it up a little bit. It's October, so yeah, I think I want a black French tip. I think that'll be cute on my toes. And then maybe I can get some cute press-ons to match. So, let's see. It talks about last minute holiday plans and these DIY 3 easy makeup looks. So there's one for if you want to time travel back to the 60s, you know, with the liquid liner on the lower lash line and a sharp line above your crease with a lot of mascara. So basically all you need is black liquid liner and mascara. Another one is Ghostly Glam. So you'll need like a matte white and black eyeshadow. So basically you damp the beauty blender and you dab on a white eyeshadow over your foundation, and then you blend black eyeshadow around your eyes for a sunken effect. Do you know what I mean? So you might want to listen to this if you dress up for Halloween and you thinking about how to do your makeup. And then last but not least, they have the Fairy Queen. So you want to bust out that pixie dust, you know, that glitter you have, and use it for a top shimmery lid, whatever color that you choose, the high points of the face, and even like your brows. So basically what you'll need for this is a shimmery eyeshadow and some glitter, you know, and boom. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm gonna be for Halloween, but you know what? You'll find out. You'll find out. So stay tuned for my Halloween Get Ready With Me. So now that we are done with this card, let's get into the rest of the products that's in my bag. So next we have a product from Douce. So this is a Posh Powder Palette. A Posh Powder Palette. So this is what it looks like. And guys, I'm gonna have the prices and all the other details on the screen. So let's open this up. Okay, so I don't know if y'all realize this brand, but this is the brand. I've used this brand before with some other product. Can't really remember right now, but yeah, this brand I've definitely used before. Oh wow, so you open it up and it has a mirror, which I love. And these are the colors. So they have the Flicker, Glisten, Spark Ray, 61 RSVP, 65 Time Bomb, and the 64 So Good. They always name these eyeshadows so weird. Y'all ever notice that? Like, just weird names, but okay. Can't wait to give this a try. Okay, so next we have some more eyeliner. You can never have enough eyeliner. You know what? Squash that. Not eyeliner, brow pencil. So we have a dark brown brow pencil. I'm really not sure how this is gonna work. I typically use black brow pencils because the brown just does not work. My eyebrows are black. They just are. So I'm not sure how this is gonna work, but this is the brand Araceli BB brow pencil, dark brown. And of course, all these products are full sized. So it has the mascara wand on one end and then the brush on the other. Next we have the Il Maquillage. I'm not even sure how to pronounce this brand, but basically this is the brand that we all see in Facebook ads, Instagram ads, where the girls are like, oh my God, this foundation is a perfect match. Yeah, those people. So this is the brand. Pretty sure this looks familiar to y'all. I've never used their foundation, by the way, or any of their products, so I'm interested to see how this works. This is actually a mascara, an intense high volume curl mascara. This is what it looks like. This is a pretty big tube, y'all, like really big. But yeah, this is the mascara. I can't wait to try it out on my bottom lashes because I wear falsies, and yeah. Okay, so last but not least, we have some beauty blenders because mine be all worn out, so you can never have too many beauty blenders. So it says the world's cleanest makeup blender. So this reduces breakouts and acne, blends makeup perfectly, wasteless makeup, vegan and cruelty free, up to 99.9% bacteria free. Okay. And this is the brand UVE. I've never heard of it, but they gave me 3 beauty blenders. So you have your typical one. Then you have your angled one. So basically, yeah, you have 2 basic ones and then an angled one. And these are really soft, y'all. I can definitely tell a difference. Or maybe I just haven't had a new beauty blender in a long time, but these feel really soft. Really soft. But yeah, I love all things October, and I especially love Halloween. It's definitely been a long time since I've dressed up for Halloween, but I'm pretty excited because this year I am gonna dress up. Comment down below what you're gonna dress up as, because honey, I cannot wait to show you what I have in store for Halloween. But thank you for watching this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. Yes, it was short and sweet, but what can I say? If you tune into my Get Ready With Me's, then you'll be able to see me try these products. Don't forget to click that like button and that notification bell so that way you can see when I post videos. Also, if you're watching my videos and you aren't subscribed, what are you doing? Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Until next time, peace.